check out my May sewing plans. Hey guys, thanks for coming back. And today we're just going to talk about May sewing plans, or the lack thereof. I'm not really sure what I want to get up to this month. I have a few things that I want to do because they were, from the list from last month, but I'm not really, feeling the urge to kind of make anything at the minute. I don't know why. We'll see what happens, I suppose. The few things that I do want to try to get done is the slim fit raglan that I had on last month's plans with the navy bodice or body and lighter blue bands. So that's what I'm hoping to get. I want that done because shirts, I'm needing some shirts. I would like to try and get the Tanya culottes refashioned into the Ogden, which means I have to retrace. I'm gonna have to retrace the slim fit raglan and also the Tanya or the Ogden cami patterns. So that's not difficult. It's just not something I really want to do at the minute. But anyway, I got thread all over me. Yeah. Wow. It's everywhere. Okay, so, and I also want to see if I can't fix those pants that I added on last month that I've got like all that extra fabric in the back crotch. So we'll see if I can fix those. And then I do, because I am an ambassador for Lisa from And So On. I'll link and I'll put her stuff. I am an ambassador for her handmade dress, handmade summer dress, excuse me. That's the hashtag. Put that down here. Summer dress challenge. And I've got my fabric, and I'll have to insert a picture of it here for you guys. I've got my fabric. I have it narrowed down to 2, but I'm not really sure still. I would like to either do McCall's 7405 or Vogue 9100, and we'll put both of those in. And also everything will be listed in the description box below. So yeah, those are the things that I have actually on the list to do. Obviously, I'd like to work on the prairie quilt a little bit more. And I don't know, we'll see what else I get up to. I don't really have any solid plans. And I'm not, like I said, I'm not sure why that is. I don't know if it's because I have so many other things going on. Because, stuff at church is picking up, the sewing classes are picking up, and other things kind of in life, are kind of going on. So I don't know. Time-wise, I think that's kind of in the back of my head, like how much time I actually will have to sew. I know my daughter is my oldest, who is a childminder over in a daycare, and she teaches young children there, is asking for some smocks. So I need to see if I can't find a smock pattern. If you have any suggestions for a smock, one that would like cover here, like, it could be sleeveless, but cover most like the bodice area. If you have any suggestions for that, go ahead and put that down in the comment section for me. That would be fantastic, actually, because there's like a memory in my head of one, but I can't think of the pattern company name. I can't think of where I saw it, but it's there. It's it feels familiar, you know what I mean? So if you guys know of any, if you wouldn't mind putting them in the comment section below, I would appreciate it. But yeah, I do need pajamas desperately. All of my pajamas are like coming off while I'm sleeping because I don't like a nightgown. I like pajama pants, and so wake up and like my butt's hanging out because the waist doesn't fit. They just slide off while I'm sleeping, which is so yeah, I need some more pajamas. I do need that. I need all of my pajama bottoms are kind of too big, so I need to redo those, or see if I can't take the side seams in or something. Or I don't even know if they have side seams. I don't know. I'll have to look at them and see if I can't like make them work for a little bit longer, even if I just like throw in a piece of drawstring or some elastic, because you know I have that humongous roll of elastic I could use. So yeah, that is it for May plans. We will be announcing the winner soon for the giveaway, so if you haven't done that, you need to go do that. And I am very much like Natita in the fact that I am not going to put giveaway in the title of a video, because I don't want people just subscribing for giveaways. I want to be able to give it to the people who actually watch on a regular basis. The guys, the people, the ladies and gentlemen that have been with me, you know, and who continue to watch me and support me. So those are the people that I would like to be able to include in this giveaway, not just any random person who sees the word giveaway and subscribes for a hot minute, and then when the giveaway is over, unsubscribe. I don't want to do that. I want to give back to those who actually support me. So if you are a subscriber and you haven't, you might want to go back and check out a video. So yeah, that's it for May plans. We'll see what happens, what we get up to. But other than that, that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I will talk to you all soon. Take care. Bye.